Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can use slicer in MS Excel. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So we have random sheet, this one which contains date, zone, name of employee or seller, items, quantity, price per item and total amount. So we have two steps to add slicer in MS Excel table. First of all, we have to create a table with Ctrl plus T and then we will insert slicer. So let's start our tutorial. So this is random table. We need to format it into table format. Go to insert and then table. You can press Ctrl plus T for this table option. Then click OK. So now this is in tabular form. For slicer, you need to go to table design and then insert a slicer. So these are the all filter options: date, zone, name, on which criteria you want to apply filter. Suppose I want to apply filter on zone. So this is slicer dialog box. I want to see the sale of east zone. So this is a complete sale detail of east zone. Then I want to see the sale of center. This one is center sale. Then click clear or all filter. Then now we will delete this slicer. We will add new one. Table design, insert slicer. This time we will insert slicer for items. Okay. Select item, then okay. So all items have been sorted and selected. We want to see the sale of pen. So this is the sale of pen in central and east zone. Desk, for desk, this is the sale of desk. For pencil, this is the sale of pencil. So this is a sale of pencil with every detail of salesperson and quantity. Next you need to clear all, then delete this with delete button. So in this way you can add slicer in MS Excel. Thanks guys for watching and learning.